Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome to another story time of Mr. Kepke. Tonight we have a good book, and it's called Grumpy Bird. It's a good character book by Jeremy Tankard. Hope you can sit back, relax, just get all snuggled in, and ready for a good night's sleep. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. You ever felt like that when you get up in the morning? Now, Mr. Kepke's a morning person. He likes to get up in the morning. Some people do not, so they do wake up grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird's picking up some friends along the way. He still doesn't look happy. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals all jumped too. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. The end. I want to encourage each of you. You may run into some grumpy people when you wake up in the morning, but you can make a difference in their day by being positive and finding the good in just a normally bad situation. So, a great character book. Hope you wake up on the right side of the bed in the morning, that you wake up with a smile on your face, ready for your day. I want to let each of you know that I love you very, very much.